The no ozone way to clean your CPAP mask, water reservoir, and hose is with the Lumin and the Lumin wand. And this is super awesome. If you don't like ozone, you can use UV light. And hi, I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com. And right here, right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean and sanitize your CPAP mask, hose, and water reservoir all the way from the beginning to the end. I really love the Lumin. This is the Lumin machine here, and this is the Lumin wand. Now, the first thing to know is that you actually should not try to clean your CPAP hose with the Lumin, because there's a concern that the light in the Lumin may not be strong enough to penetrate that UV light through the CPAP tube to be sure to clean the inside of it. So here in just a moment, we're going to talk about cleaning the hose using the Lumin wand instead. However, cleaning the water reservoir and the CPAP mask is super easy to do with the Lumin. And by the way, UV light actually kills every kind of mold, virus, and bacteria. And it's really smart the way they designed this. They made the drawer in which you put anything that you want to sanitize lined with mirror. And also they created this little deal that will elevate any item you put in here up off of the bottom a little bit, so that the light sort of bounces around in there and it cleans all surfaces, the bottom included. So let's first start just by cleaning the water reservoir. This is a ResMed AirSense 10 water reservoir. Of course, yours may look a little bit different, but it's nice to sort of take it apart and just make sure that all of the different parts, the top, the bottom, are all going to be contacted by the UV light. Once you have the item in there that you're cleaning, you just shut the drawer, and then there's one button. Hit that button there, and the red light comes on. Actually, you can even see the light inside. Now, UV light is invisible, so the light that you're seeing is really more of an indicator light. This is going to take 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and shut it off, but in 5 minutes it will shut off on its own. And then you have completely sanitized and disinfected equipment. So you may want to run another cycle with your mask in there, like so. Again, shut the drawer, hit the button. 5 minutes later, it's all going to be sanitized. By the way, you can clean like your keys, your cell phone, calculator, anything that could be exposed to UV light is going to be fine in here. So it doesn't matter what type of mask you use, with the exception of the AirTouch. I really wouldn't try to use the AirTouch, but that will clean almost anything in your home. Now, for surfaces in your home, this is the Lumin wand. And so it is actually available on our website also, and it uses a more powerful light than the Lumin. The light is so strong that it actually will be able to penetrate through the hose. So what you would do with your CPAP hose is just lay it out on a surface. You press the button on the top, and you're going to see a light come on. See the blue light? I don't know if you can see that. Right there is a blue light. When you get to just the right level of closeness, that light actually turns orange, and you might have seen just then it turned orange. And then you need about 10 seconds of contact with the CPAP tubing and sort of run it around the tube until you have actually, with the orange light, contacted all parts of the CPAP tubing for approximately 10 seconds. And then you have a totally disinfected CPAP tube. And one of the things I love about this Lumin wand is that literally you could use it on your kitchen counters, on your sofa, on your pillow, really anywhere. It's UV light, so it's super safe. Now, you don't want to let it contact your skin, obviously, but it's a really neat machine. It has a nice weight to it. It's comfortable to use. It charges up, and it's just a wonderful little machine. So that's it, the Lumin and the Lumin wand. And thank you for watching. My name is Chris. I'm with AffinityHM.com. Please like the video if you would, subscribe to the channel, and look forward to seeing you again on our next video. Have a good day. Bye.